Women's Health Quick Recipes, Skillet Halibut with Charred Corn Salad Recipe. Skillet Halibut with Charred Corn Salad Recipe. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons olive oil, 2 ears corn, kernels removed, kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper, 1/2 jalapeno, minced, 3 scallions thinly sliced, light green parts only, 1 pint grape or cherry tomatoes, quartered, 1/2 cup fresh mint leaves roughly chopped, 2 tablespoons fresh juice from about 2 limes, 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, 4 halibut fillets, about 1 1/2 to 2 pounds. Directions: heat 1 tablespoon of the olive oil in a 12-inch skillet over medium heat until hot. Add the corn and a pinch of salt and pepper and cook, stirring occasionally until the corn has charred slightly, about 5 minutes. Add the corn to a serving bowl and mix with the jalapeno, scallions, tomatoes, mint leaves, lime juice, and extra virgin olive oil, and season to taste, and set aside. Wipe out the same skillet and add the remaining olive oil over medium-high heat until simmering. Season fish with salt and pepper. Add the fish skin side down and until the skin is crisp, about 4 minutes. Carefully flip and cook until just cooked through, about 3 minutes longer. Serve with the corn salad. Enjoy! Follow Health Wealth Safe on social media for more recipes.